Football, soccer, lacrosse, baseball, dance, tennis, volleyball, basketball, softball. No matter what sport you're a part of, you need to keep your muscles strong and healthy. TheraBands have been proven to make you stronger in just a matter of days. In a recent study, 4 subjects measured their initial hand strength and then exercised with the TheraBand by doing 30 reps of hand curls and measuring their hand strength each time before they began to exercise to see the increase in strength. As you can see, all the subjects' hand strengths increased significantly.
On average, in just 2 days, your strength can increase by 3 pounds per square inch.
All of the hand strength measured in PSI prove that the TheraBand increases their strength because of the resistance material that helps to break down skeletal muscle and then build up stronger muscle tissue. It has multiple nuclei which create stronger muscle quickly. The TheraBand helps increase range of motion, strength, and flexibility. It is easy to use, and there are different colored bands with increasing amount of resistance based on your strength level, so you can pick the one best for you. If you call 1-800-THE-BAND or 1-8 TheraBand, you can buy our popular blue band for $9.99. But if you call now, we will throw in our black TheraBand for free. So what are you waiting for? Call now and get stronger today.
Sources of error is that 2 different diameters were used when testing strength. Also, each subject could have been doing a slightly different variation of the exercise. There was also a few days in between the time we gathered the data for day 2.